Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add ChatGPT extension to your Chrome browser. Guys, for this go to Google, type Chrome extensions in the search bar and open the first result. You should type ChatGPT writer here. And this is the extension, guys. We should add this extension to our browser. This is the ChatGPT writer, guys. And with this app, you will be able to write, for example, emails, messages, and you can create content, guys, without going on ChatGPT website. You can just use this extension and it will make things easier. 30 users already installed this extension to their browsers and now I'm going to install it. Let's click add to Chrome, click add extension. So guys, we have installed this extension to our browser and now I will show you how to use it. For example, I want to answer this email and I am a little bit lazy to reply him, so I will just copy this email and I will paste it to my ChatGPT tool. So let's paste this email. Let's write here answer him in formal and friendly way, and also ask him about the payment they are offering. So just tell the bot, give the bot instruction, and then just click the generate. If this error appears, you should click generate again, wait a few seconds, and bot will answer in that way you asked him to answer. Okay guys, here's the answer. Thank you for reaching out to me regarding a potential collaboration for the promotion of Genshin Impact. I'm interested in learning more about the campaign and the details of the collaboration. You just need to enter your name here and just copy paste it and reply him, guys. So this is first example. You can also use this bot in any way you want. For example, you can just use it for as a translator. My name is George. Translate this into Spanish. So just enter the instruction and click generate, guys. Wait a few seconds and you can see the result. And also you can ask him, for example, to write a post, a blog post, an article, guys. For example, top 10 food for lowering cholesterol. Write about this topic. Click generate, wait a few seconds, and you will see the result. You can see the results, guys. This bot is working. It's a wonderful extension. So I highly recommend this extension to add into your browser. So guys, you can see the result. This bot is working. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking like buttons and thank you for subscribing. Remember that likes are super important for us. See you in the next video.